Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add layers in Picsart. To add layers in Picsart, first of all open up the Picsart application on your device. Once you're in the home page, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen and then select an image from your device's camera roll, and once you open up the image in the editing page, scroll through the bottom menu and tap on Add Photo. Now, choose the image you want to overlay as a new layer. After making an image selection, tap on Add at the top right and you will see two different images added onto the screen. Resize and reposition the overlay as needed, and once you do that, tap the Blend button at the bottom of the screen. Choose a blending mode from the menu that pops up, and after choosing a suitable blending, you can go ahead and choose a blend option to achieve the desired transparency. And that is how you add multiple layers on Picsart. You can also add more layers by tapping the plus button at the bottom left, choose Add Photo, and select other images as well. So that's how you easily add layers in Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more Picsart tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.